everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm making a colorful phone cover. Come see how it will turn out. I bought a MI Y1 in November and got this transparent phone cover with it. I have been meaning to paint it since then. I wanted to add my own style to it, but I couldn't do it in the last 3 months, mostly because I am a very lazy person, and partly because I had so many ideas for it and couldn't choose one. What I did, I googled a nice quote in a beautiful font and then I traced over it with a permanent marker. Make sure you write it on the inner side of the cover because, when you write it on the outer side, it will just smudge off the pen. I'm doing it on my laptop. The easier way to do this is to print it on paper and then trace it. But I don't have printer at home, so I'm improvising. So this is what it looked like. I realized that I had made a very stupid mistake. Since I was writing on the inner side of the cover, my text was in reverse. So I erased it with some nail paint remover. So the right way to do it is download your picture, then open it in MS Paint, flip it horizontally, and then trace it on your cover. See, like I'm doing in this video. If you don't want text on your cover, you can make cartoons, landscapes, flowers, birds, anything. If you can't find a satisfactory image online, you can draw your design on paper yourself and then trace it on your cover. I did the rest of it comfortably and carefully on my bed because I was afraid I will poke a hole in my laptop screen. By the way, if you don't have a laptop, you can also do this on your mobile. So this is what it looked like after tracing the complete code. I was pretty proud of it. It almost looked like a printed text. I used acrylic colors to paint on it. Since I'm an artist, I decided to add swatches of different colors of paint. I put my cover on my diary because I wanted to make each swatch approximately equal. I'm painting each swatch approximately 3 lines wide. I love how clearly I can see the brush strokes. They're making it so effortless. Here's the final look. I wanted to show you how it looked on my phone, but cannot because I'm filming on it. Let me know if you like this video. Please share the pictures if you tried something like this at home. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.